All right, guys, we got to talk about AMC's earning calls. This is huge. Alright, I'm just going to be dropping a quick video on the technical analysis in the AMC earnings call, what I think we're looking at in the future. But he basically said that DRSing your shares is good. Don't take his silence as an action. He does care, and he did earn a little bit more of my trust during this earnings call. And I do think he's playing 4D chess. I do think he's on our side, and of course he does have to work with bad actors, as the banking industry as a whole is a bad actor, and that's the only way he can do these things with inside the stock market, like financing with Citigroup and Madrid. But let's go ahead and check out the charts and see what he had to say about the earnings call, which I streamed live. Go ahead and check that video out. It's the whole earnings call live. Let's go ahead and get the charts. Alright, so we're here with the charts and we're looking at AMC, which did have a breakout of its falling wedge, had a huge spike in after hours when earnings was announced, and then was beaten back down to the same resistance. Still would be green on the day if this was still during the day. We did have a green day, and we did break out of this technical bullish pattern, which is a falling wedge, which might be indicative of a bottom. This is for short-term technical analysis, not long-term technical analysis. Once I have more data, I will be able to provide you that. But of course, we're still looking at the T plus 90 for APE on November 21st. And we are also looking at the options, which show a possible gamma squeeze happening around November 18th for run-ups on AMC. But let's go ahead and talk about the earnings call. This is Lottery Stocks Twitter. He did a great video on the earnings call, breaking it down very clearly. Go ahead and check that out if you want. But these are the questions that AA was asked. And he was basically asked, why has the share price go down? And he basically says the overall market, but don't underestimate his silence as an action. And remember that he's a shareholder like no other. Okay, so that was one of the questions he was asked. They also had a partnership with Zoom. So they made Zoom Rooms. This was actually Zoom's idea, not Aron's. So if it sounds odd, that might be why. But hopefully it benefits revenue for both of them. But they will be able to do Zoom meetings and Zoom communication inside of AMC. And I was thinking, that might have a good idea, because they might be able to do things like put the World Series, if they start doing sports and stuff, and have people do multiple experiences inside of the theater itself, while in different theaters, so multiple people could connect as well. They talked about the laser projectors that are going to help make things look clearer. Also, in upcoming movies we have is going to be Avatar, it's going to be Black Panther. So those are great box office movies that are going to be dropping as well. Also, HYMC, the company that they invested in, is looking like it's doing well. They had huge increases in mining gold, plus silver. So that looks like it's a positive investment as well. And so far seems to be so good. I'm not too fond of it myself, but if it makes money for the company, that's good for overall. Again, they talked about the laser projectors. But overall, they had a beat on the earnings per share loss. They were only at 20 cents. They were projected to be at 24 cents, 896 million liquidity, ending at Q3. Cash burn 179.2 million. Q4 estimates less cash burn. So they definitely have cash that they are still sitting on. They made their business more efficient by closing some locations and then opening new locations that are key. They have that partnership with Zoom, and this is the main point of the overall shares and calls or earnings call. So lots of things going on. I just wanted to let you guys know and give you guys a quick update on what's going on with the earnings call, what I think. Quick little technical analysis. Like I said, we are seeing the breakout of this falling wedge, which would be indicative of a uptrend. I do think that we might see sideways action tomorrow, maybe possible green action depending on the market, how the market is. And remember, in my overall thesis, if you want to check that video out as well, it's on my channel on the timeline of the MOAS. I think that we need to see a huge down day, a huge capitulation in the market before we will see MOAS in AMC and GME. So that's what we are actually waiting for. But that was the overall earnings call breakdown. Again, lottery stocks, thank you for putting this on Twitter and making it easy to break down. Also, their popcorn market is expected to be on shelves at the beginning of Q1 2023, and I know that a lot of retail is going to support AMC. They're going to buy their products on the shelves. They're going to go buy products inside the stores, inside the theaters, and help support AMC, which is always a good thing for the company. So it looks like things are looking good and even better when Avatar releases and of course Black Panther. But that was the video. Hopefully you guys found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out. Alright guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. I know I did. Go ahead and subscribe for more content. And of course, I cover cybersecurity and cryptocurrency. I can't post cybersecurity on here as much, but it's all on my Discord. So go ahead and check that out. Links in the description. Follow me on Twitter, Data05. And as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money.